Welcome to House Lux Estate, your go-to channel for insights into the future of technology and wealth creation. Here at House Lux Estate, we're passionate about uncovering the next big thing in tech and exploring how these advancements could potentially turn into lucrative opportunities. We're committed to keeping you in the loop, providing you with a front-row seat to the unfolding narrative of technological innovation and its implications for wealth generation. Our mission is simple: to demystify the complex world of technology and illuminate the pathways that lead to financial prosperity. We believe that understanding the technology of today can unlock the wealth of tomorrow. So, whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or just curious about the future, we invite you to join us on this journey. Stay tuned as we delve into 10 disruptive technologies that have the potential to make you rich. First on our list is artificial intelligence, or AI. Now, you've likely heard about AI. It's not just sci-fi fodder. It's here, and it's transforming how we live, work, and play. From healthcare to finance and even entertainment, AI is being deployed in various industries, disrupting traditional business models and creating immense wealth in the process. Think about companies like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon. They've all tapped into the potential of AI to revolutionize their services, making them more efficient, personalized, and user-friendly. This, in turn, has led to increased profitability and market dominance. But it's not just the tech giants reaping the benefits of AI. Startups and innovative minds are also harnessing its power, developing groundbreaking solutions that are attracting significant investment. AI is a game changer, and as it continues to evolve and become more sophisticated, the opportunities for wealth creation similarly expand. As the saying goes, the future belongs to those who prepare for it. So keep an eye on AI. As AI continues to evolve, so do the opportunities for wealth creation. Next up is blockchain technology. Imagine a ledger that is not maintained by a single entity but shared among a network of computers. This is the essence of blockchain technology. It's a decentralized and distributed digital ledger used to record transactions across many computers so that any involved record cannot be altered retroactively, without the alteration of all subsequent blocks. The rise of blockchain technology has been revolutionary, particularly in the financial industry. It has given birth to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, which have created new avenues for wealth creation. These decentralized digital currencies operate without the need for a central bank, providing a level of financial freedom previously unattainable. Blockchain technology isn't just about cryptocurrencies, though. It's being utilized in supply chain management, healthcare, and even voting systems, proving its versatility and potential for disruption in various sectors. Blockchain technology's potential for disruption and wealth creation cannot be overstated. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is another technology to watch. It's all about connecting everyday devices, from your refrigerator to your car to the internet. This creates a network of physical objects, each collecting and sharing data, all communicating without human intervention. Imagine, your alarm clock wakes you up and automatically instructs your coffee maker to start brewing. Your car, connected to your calendar, plans the best route for your morning commute. These are just simple examples, but the potential is huge. Now, how does wealth creation fit into this? Well, as the demand for smart, interconnected devices rises, so does the need for innovative IoT solutions. Entrepreneurs and investors who can leverage this technology stand to make a significant profit. It could be through developing new smart devices, providing IoT services, or investing in promising IoT startups. The possibilities with IoT are endless, and so are the opportunities for wealth creation. Shifting gears, let's talk about robotics process automation, or RPA. Imagine a virtual workforce, tirelessly taking on tedious tasks, never needing a coffee break. That's what RPA brings to the table. It's about automating repetitive, rule-based tasks, making businesses more efficient and cost-effective. You see, RPA doesn't sleep, it doesn't get sick, and most importantly, it doesn't make mistakes. It's like having an army of robots at your disposal, working round the clock, freeing up human employees to focus on more strategic tasks. Companies like Blue Prism and UiPath have capitalized on this technology, providing solutions that are transforming industries from healthcare to finance. Automation Anywhere, another key player, has seen its valuations skyrocket to a staggering $7 billion. So imagine the wealth creation potential here. It's not just about the companies creating the technology, but also those implementing it. RPA is another technology that is poised to disrupt industries and create wealth. Next, we have augmented reality and virtual reality. These twin technologies are revolutionizing the way we interact with digital content. Augmented reality, or AR, overlays digital information onto the real world, giving us the ability to enhance our experiences in real time. Virtual reality, or VR on the other hand, immerses us completely into a simulated environment, bringing us a whole new level of interaction and engagement. From gaming to real estate, healthcare to education, these technologies are being applied in countless sectors, and companies that master these technologies are reaping the benefits. Not only do AR and VR offer improved user experiences, but they also provide businesses with powerful tools to visualize complex data and create immersive marketing campaigns. Investing in companies that are at the forefront of AR and VR technology, or even developing your own AR and VR solutions, can lead to significant wealth creation. AR and VR are indeed game changers, offering numerous opportunities for wealth creation. Let's now turn our attention to 3D printing, a technology that has truly revolutionized the world of manufacturing. 3D printing is a fascinating concept. Imagine, if you will, being able to create complex shapes and intricate structures, all at the click of a button. It's like having a mini factory right at your fingertips. But 3D printing goes beyond just creating cool objects. It's changing industries, from healthcare, where it's used to create prosthetics, and even human organs, to construction, where entire buildings are being 3D printed. It's the kind of technology that opens up a world of possibilities and opportunities for innovation. So how does this lead to wealth creation, you may ask? Well, owning a 3D printer can be a profitable venture. Whether it's by creating and selling unique products, offering 3D printing services, or even developing new 3D printing technologies, the potential for making money is vast. 3D printing is indeed a disruptive technology with great potential for wealth creation. Autonomous vehicles are another technology to keep an eye on. Imagine a world where cars, buses, and trucks navigate the roads without a human at the wheel. It's not science fiction. It's the reality that autonomous vehicles promise. This technology could revolutionize transportation, making it safer and more efficient than ever before. Think about the possibilities: fewer traffic accidents due to human error, smoother and faster commutes, and even the potential for new business models in the transportation industry. The benefits could be enormous. And where there are benefits, there are opportunities for wealth creation. Investing in companies that are leading the way in autonomous vehicle technology could yield significant returns. Moreover, the ancillary industries that will spring up around this technology, from infrastructure to software, also present lucrative opportunities. Autonomous vehicles are indeed a game changer, and the wealth creation opportunities are immense. Next up, we have nanotechnology. Nanotechnology, the manipulation of matter on an atomic and molecular scale, is revolutionizing industries across the board. From healthcare, where it's being used to create more effective drug delivery systems, to electronics, where it's enabling the development of faster, smaller, and more powerful devices. It's even making waves in the energy sector, contributing to the creation of more efficient solar panels and batteries. Let's talk about companies profiting from this technology. Take IBM, for instance, leveraging nanotechnology to develop smaller, more efficient transistors, effectively driving the evolution of computing. Or Nanosys, a company that's capitalizing on nanotech to create quantum dots for high-definition TVs. These examples merely scratch the surface of what's possible. The bottom line? Nanotechnology is not just another buzzword. It's a game changer, an engine for innovation that's already transforming industries and creating new wealth opportunities. Nanotechnology's potential for disruption and wealth creation is vast. And there you have it, 10 disruptive technologies that could make you rich. We've toured the vast universe of artificial intelligence, the secure and transparent world of blockchain technology, and the interconnected web of the Internet of Things. We've delved into the efficiency of robotics process automation, the immersive experiences of augmented and virtual reality, and the physical transformation potential of 3D printing. We've also navigated the roadways of autonomous vehicles and peeked into the minute but mighty realm of nanotechnology. Each of these revolutionary technologies holds immense potential for wealth creation, for those who dare to venture and invest. The future, as we see it, is a vibrant tapestry of innovation and opportunity. So let's embrace it together. Remember to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more insights into the future of technology and wealth creation. Until next time, keep exploring and investing wisely.